Hi, Facebook friends and family and Instagrammers. I'm Rhonda Kuykendall-Jabari, Reiki Master Teacher, ordained minister, certified chakra therapist, alchemist, and owner of Wellness Uprising, a healing studio located in the Westchester, LAX area of Los Angeles, California. And this evening, I'd like to talk a little bit about one of the oils in our magical ritual kits. That's quickly becoming a favorite of mine, but all of these oils are my favorites. And this is dragon's blood, and you can find this in incense form, powder form, or oil form. And I really love the color and the vibrancy of this oil. So, dragon's blood is really basically known for healing energy work, protection, and for banishing any unwanted energy or blocking any negative energy. Additionally, adding dragon's blood to any oil blend that you're already working with will increase the potency of that blend. So here's the dragon's blood. I'm going to open this up because I love the smell. And so what I want to share with you very quickly is 5 ways to use, oh, I love that smell, 5 ways to use dragon's blood. And I'm going to be referring to my notes because I need a cheat sheet because I always get really nervous when I'm on camera. So work with me, people. So the first thing I'd like to talk about is placing dragon's blood on your altar to represent a fire element. And so as we know that in healing and spiritual work and in energy work, fire symbolizes creation, destruction, and transformation. So that's one way that you can use it. You can just place it on the altar and leave it there for that to represent that fire energy as you call in all of the elements on your altar, be it ancestral or fairy altar or nature altar, whatever kind of altar it is. You always want to work with the elements. So that's one way. The second way is in a ritual or a healing session, or when doing spell work, you can use it for banishing any negative energy from the space or from blocking any unwanted energy from coming into the space in which you're going to be working. And that can be done in a number of different ways, and we'll talk about some of that. Like you can anoint a black candle with dragon's blood, and just a small regular chime spell candle will do. And burn that in the space before you work. I like to allow whatever scent I'm going to be using to permeate the area. So I may anoint the candle and then light it and then go and do my spiritual bath. And then when I come back, the room is already filled with the energy that I want. So that's the second way that you can use dragon's blood oil. A third way is to add lodestone. I don't have any here because this is a last minute video. I'm doing this at home. But to add lodestone to a bottle of dragon's blood to create money drawing energy. And then you can take that oil after you put the lodestone in, let it sit overnight, and use that to polish citrine or jade, green agate or green moss agate or green aventurine to call in and attract money to yourself. After you anoint or rub that crystal down with it, then you can place that crystal into a mojo bag or a medicine bag and carry it with you, or just carry it in your handbag. This will attract abundance and prosperity for you. The fourth way is, are you looking for love? Like, who isn't, right? It's that kind of life. We all need a little love. Boy, it's very harsh out there right now. But you can make a blend of dragon's blood oil, add a little bit of cinnamon oil, or even just dried cinnamon from your pantry, and soak a rose quartz in that oil overnight. And then add a little bit of that to your bath, just a few drops of the oil, and soak for 20 minutes. You can do this as many times a week as you like. And while you're doing it, just think about all the ways in which you love yourself and that you want to treat yourself well, and what it is that you feel that you deserve in a good, healthy, loving relationship. So that's another way that you can use it. And then the fifth way is to anoint a clear crystal quartz and a white candle with dragon's blood while performing a protection ritual to strengthen the energy shield that surrounds you. And of course, you would add visualization with that to just kind of surround yourself with white love and light and energy and warmth, to not allow anything in that is not for your highest good during that ritual. So those are just 5 quick ways that you can use dragon's blood oil. Remember to practice revolutionary self-care, in which you give to, nurture, and support yourself before you attempt to nurture, support, or care for others. That's what Wellness Uprising is all about. We want to empower people and encourage them to live that life. Take a moment to like this video if you do indeed like it, and to share it. And for detailed rituals and spells, please join my Facebook group, Powerful Rituals for Self-Care and Insightful Living. This is Rhonda Kuykendall-Jabari. I'm signing off, and thank you so much for watching. Good night.